Oh,
Is it filled? What is inside?
there's meatballs inside the meatballs.
Really?
I'm not joking. There's actually
Show me.
meatballs right here.
Oh
See?
yeah, wow.
Oh.
There's meatballs inside of.
Hai guys, balik lagi di BNay Channel. So thank you buat teman-teman yang selalu setia nonton BNay Channel. Dan yang pastinya video yang akan aku bikin kali ini akan bersangkutan dengan nyobain makanan Indonesia. Nah, makanan apa sih? Bakso. Well, karena si bro udah biasa makan bakso dan udah tahu malah bikin bakso sendiri. Nah, yang aku bakal pengen cobain adalah bikin bakso beranak. Deg-degan banget guys, karena aku emang jujur belum pernah bikin bakso beranak. Jadi aku udah nonton berbagai tutorial di YouTube, udah baca berbagai resep, dan semoga berhasil. Cuman untuk berobasti, aku bakal bikin ekstra pedes. Jadi semacam bakso mercon ya namanya ya. Doain aku ya guys, dan kalau misalnya bakso beranaknya gagal, please jangan dibully, namanya juga belajar ya kan. Dan ini pertama kalinya, nah, aku sendiri jujur deg-degan. Dan ini kan bakal dipresentasikan ke teman-teman aku. Support me!
Hey.
We're gonna eat. So today I cooked something for our guest, and look how excited Tiago is.
I want to eat all this thing.
He wants to eat all of this.
Look at this. There's an egg inside a meatball. Italians, you guys are losing right now. There's eggs and meatball.
Guys, if you see in front of you, this is, we call it bakso. So this is I think like translated it'd be like a meatball soup, but Indonesian one. And the beauty of this food is like you can take everything you want to put on your bowl. How we doing it is basically you put the base. The base is noodle, so you can choose both or one of them, like what you like. This is the glass one. This is the egg noodle. And after you put the noodle, you can put the veggies, and then there's like extra parsley, and then also the onion.
Okay.
So fried onion and chili for if you like something spicy. After you put all, you can get the soup and then the meatballs, whatever you want. So just pick anything. And because I pretty much have everything, as much as you want. So
And on top of it, you put like this, right?
yes,
Oh.
Indonesian way. I mean, it's different. My dad doesn't like this, but like me, I always put a little bit of sweet soy and then also the ketchup and also the spicy one, and it's so delicious. But like everybody has different taste, so that's why.
I might try this both.
Yeah, you should try.
That one? Say no.
Maybe a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
I like the sauce. I like this idea.
I never know whether I should save the egg for last or whether I should eat it right away like you did. You can have another one. It's okay. But isn't that too hot in Indonesia to eat? Like if it's 30 degrees,
I
and
know.
you eat a hot soup like this.
Love it.
Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh, look at the size of this thing. Oh, look at the water going up. Like, whoa! Oh, it looks so good though.
Yeah, we'll see.
Oh,
Does it feel? What is inside?
there's meatballs inside the meatballs. Really? I'm not joking. There's actually
Show me.
meatballs right here.
Oh
See?
yeah! Wow.
There's meatballs inside of.
What a pleasant surprise!
Yeah, right? It's like, I never thought about this. I actually
Could have been vegetables.
Yeah, right. That would be bad actually, right? Like if we had like tomatoes inside.
Yeah, exactly.
Like a whole tomato, I'm like, oh, nice, Nancy, yay! I'm so happy about your surprise. It's actually like, oh my god, this see?
This meatball
It's a
in the
baby
mirror.
meatball.
It's a baby meatball. See, it's a meatball. Because I already saw like, for example, like cheese inside meatballs.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Huh?
You can put like a lot of chili, so it's a meatball and stuff like
Yeah, but like I never saw meatballs inside with meatballs.
that. Mind blowing, eh?
It's mind blowing. It's good, but it's good.
Yeah. Do you want to try yours?
I will try this one. Yeah.
Pasti?
Yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. Wow, what is it? Wow, what is in there? Is that tomato? No, that is chili.
There's chili in there.
Is that filled
that
with?
is good that you did
Is that filled with chili and other meatballs?
Yeah.
But it's meatballs and a lot of chili. Nice. Okay,
Especially,
let's go for it.
especially for you.
Spicy baby meatballs. I love it. Spicy baby meatballs.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
Wow, but it's good. Oh, I love surprises like this. I love it.
Wow, look at that. Yeah.
Oh. There's even more. Wow, look at that.
Oh,
Look
it's
at
mixed with-
all that chili inside.
Yeah, it's mixed with the soup already, but yeah,
Yeah,
it's very
wow.
red.
Oh my god.
This is so yeah, go there.
I know.
This is a little bit like.
Oh, I can see the redness. I can actually see all the red part right there.
Exactly.
I'm not gonna do it.
Try just one. One chili.
Why, please? Oh, please.
It's a preparation for the ghost pepper.
It's true, right?
Show your fans that you can do at least a small chili.
Okay, let's do this way. No, I'm gonna get.
I'm already dying here.
He's dying. He was. Oh, he's red.
Oh my god. Try it.
Wait, one piece of dagger anywhere and just like, or just like.
Or you can eat with the meat.
I mean, you can like actually put like the chili in here and then I just eat it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or that one right there. You have a chili bowl right there.
Yeah, there's some.
Yeah, you can just put it here.
Here.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, now you're all happy, right?
Of course. Oh yeah.
Eat,
Look at
eat.
you. Eat tea.
Be brave.
To be honest, I'm gonna eat ghost pepper eventually.
Yeah,
right?
exactly. So train yourself.
Oh my god. Oh, look at all my noses right now. Woo! It's spicy.
Oh, really?
Whoa! All the pain now.
Drink.
Ugh,
It's so spicy. It is.
where's my meat? Oh my god. You wanna try with chili?
No.
I'm.
I don't like.
I mean, 1,000 likes gonna eat it. 10,000 likes gonna eat it.
Okay.
Was that a challenge? Okay.
That was a challenge?
Do it all again.
Let's go. There's so many challenges in here.
Yeah.
If this video hits 10,000 likes, she's gonna eat chili.
Oh.
Like one chili.
One chili.
One chili. Okay.
Yeah. 10,000 likes. It takes like a month. Don't worry. You can get right into there. I ate it once. It's not that bad. No, it's not this size, true. It's not. It's like this
Like
size.
this.
Yeah. But like
Yeah,
this
the small
size.
ones, yeah.
Yeah, the small ones.
Okay.
No, you need to shake my hand. And it's
Oh,
okay.
yeah. Yes.
You're gonna.
You're gonna regret it.
You shouldn't say that to everyone. Otherwise, no one will accept the challenges anymore.
You know the funny thing is, we said at the same time. Oh, you're gonna regret it.
Eat off the gigantic one. Ooh. We finished it. We still have that one. That's so nice.
Oh, you finished it?
Yeah.
I was actually eating. Oh my god. It was good.
Did finish it. Wow.
Yeah, meatballs with eggs.
Yeah, that one.
Different to me.
Yeah, it is. It is like that was also my favorite one. I love if I make this, I always make sure that I have the eggs and the meatballs like cover the eggs because it's like for me the highlight.
Yeah, it's actually. I love everything, especially like the bone and marrow. I love bone marrow kind of like thing. I love also like that. I know for sure that like the water kind of cook the meatball as well, right? So that's why it's like it's not like the Italian meatball, right? Because the Italian meatball you eat it, it's kind of different. It's more like I will say this more delicate because also doesn't have that much like strong sauces itself.
Yeah.
But of course, you can go chili wise and go crazy. But for me, it was good. I like that actually. It was actually a good surprise when I heard about that because it's like I like eggs, I like meatball. Best of both worlds. But what blew my mind was the meatball with meatballs. Because I didn't expect that.
Meatball in the meatball surprise.
Yeah. So when I opened, it was actually a little meatball. I was like, you know, like it was just being like, I wasn't expecting that. And I was like, dude, this is crazy amount. It's like these size of meatball, right? And I was like, okay, that's my challenge now. And then you bring this guy with the egg, and I was like, I have another challenge. And then you bought the bottom where I was like, I have a third challenge now. And I was like, I'm gonna eat it. I don't care. I will die. I will eat it. But in my opinion, the best one was the egg one.
The egg one.
The egg was actually like different. Like I didn't expect because like it was two flavors in one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it was like the egg, like the explosion of the egg, plus like the
meatball.
yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it's good.
And the sauce too.
And the sauce too, yeah.
Yeah, with the sauce together, right? Yeah, like you weren't thinking like ketchup and sweet soy to put together.
Yeah, like, yeah.
Then Indonesian doing it, and this ended up pretty good.
Yeah.
I love Bakso. Anyways, I think everyone knows that. I love that you can combine everything that you like. Like you can take, some people take more noodles out, take more vegetables or meat. So I love that. It was really delicious. And like Gary said, like for me the favorite is as well the meatball with the egg inside. And yeah, today we had this special surprise of the meatball that is actually filled not only with other meatballs, which is already pretty decent, but it was also filled with a lot of chili and hot sauce. So it was really spicy. It was the first time I had something like this. It blew my mind really. Like that was great. That was the highlight of the meal.
Yay! And it's just small one. You can find one in Indonesia. They put like 20 kilograms of the meatball.
Oh my God.
That's so crazy. That's big tea. Yeah.
20 kilos?
Yeah. So normally you eat groups.
Is your bag? You remember your bag? Like the traveling bag?
And so
You are eating that in a meatball. We're going to Indonesia right now.
So they have it like they have the 1 kilogram and then goes to the craziest one. And I was thinking, how can they make it? But
They should feature that in Wonderful Indonesia. joke.
No,
This
but
video.
how they make that?
I
Like,
know.
They kill like an entire cow just for that.
Exactly.
Right? Because like, okay,
Yeah.
can you imagine like it's probably like this?
Yeah, so I was googling because I was like, oh, 20 kilos, that's a lot. And I was like, okay, so we found out there was a 40 kilograms meatball, and I was like, oh, that's my friend, right? And we found out the biggest meatball is 101 kilos.
Yay!
So that is 223 pounds, which means that is like a Tiago meatball.
It's Tiago size.
That is this size. That is like straight up.
So that is
meat.
you wrapped in the meatball.
Yeah, if I was wrapped like that, I'm a meatball.
Dude, this is incredible. How someone can do that? How much meat you need to buy? Like, okay, so